guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy 4th of July. Hope you guys just had a 4th of July. We are back in Florida. We're gonna go check out a 2011 BMW M3. So E93. The reason you get the 93 is because it's convertible. Why is it convertible? Who'd buy a convertible? I want one in Florida. This has 126,000 miles on it. I'm trying to get it for about 10,000 bucks. Clean title, 4 owners. Originally from California and then shipped over here like at 80,000 miles and then been driven around the Florida area for 40,000 miles. The owner's selling it, so hopefully we can get it and get a good deal. Let's go check it out. This is a 2011 BMW 414 horsepower DCT, not manual. Why are you getting the DCT? Honestly, it's just what's available. And I do want to try out a DCT just to see if I like driving around an automatic for a little bit. We'll check it out and see if it's good or not, and then we'll see if we're gonna buy it today. Let's go for a car ride. Okay, so here is the BMW. This is day one. This is a Sunday, so the bank's closed. So he can't sell it right now, but I went and drove it. I didn't film it. He kind of didn't want to be filmed or anything. It's the 4th owner. He's owned it for a while. It's a 414 horsepower. It wasn't very fast. I gotta be honest. They're not very fast. I drove it, had no gas. I had to pay for gas in it. I'm gonna run into his little full pole right here, sorry. Anyways, it had to put $15 worth of gas in it, so I'm a nice guy. The bumper's cracked off. The girlfriend of his broke the bumper. So that being said, I have to get a new front bumper. The wheels are not black. Will you film this, Gabriella? The wheels are not black. They are plasti dip, so they're ghetto, and then they're all curved. He put new brake rotors on them, but they're not very nice, to be honest. The tent's peeling. There's just a lot of things with it. Yeah, so that being said, it's hot and sweaty here in Florida. Things that are cool about that car is it's a drop top. The all black interior, which I like. It looks cool. It just needs a scrub. But he wanted, so I offered him 95. He said he won't do it. He has it listed for 13.5, 127,000, not 126,000 miles on it. It is an 11, so it's like, I think they made them till 2013, but it's a little bit mid later. So what we're gonna do is I'll let him know. We may come back and get this. We may not. I may post this video or I may not. But I think it'd be a fun car for the channel. Okay, so the title of this video, I got some in my eye, sorry, is gonna be buying the cheapest, I don't know, M3, E93, E90, M3, 414 in the America. I'm gonna pay $10,000 for this. I got the cash in the car. We looked at the car, it was on a Sunday, that was the last video you guys saw, and then now it's already a Wednesday, so some time went by. But I'm gonna go meet him at the bank and buy the car and get the title. So let's go check this BMW out. I'm really excited to get more of a walk around after I get my hands on it. But yeah, buying the cheapest M3 ever, or in America. I can't wait. Let's go look at it, get some driving. It's about 2 hours from my Florida house, so let's get in the truck. This is the Florida house, and go get this BMW M3.
Good job. Package secured. Oh, snap.
YouTube, look at this. So we got it, we closed the deal. This is, I think, the cheapest running clean title M3 medium mileage, I guess, in the country. This is so affordable. I paid $9,999. I actually gave the guy $10,000, but he gave me $1 back because I gave him an Uber back to his house. So that being said, we got it only for 4 digits, $9,999. This is a 2011 BMW E93. The reason it's a 93 is because the roof goes down. I did want to turn the car on, but I did see that people, if they just hold this button, maybe the windows will go down and open. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think you got to turn the car on and hit the button. That being said, let's do a walk around. We're in Florida. We're in Clearwater. This is a beautiful bridge back in the background. Amazing. That being said, come on over here. Cool things that are about this car is that it is a drop top. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. It's 414 horsepower, has 127,000 miles on it, and then it's really affordable. It needs a bazillion things done to it. That's why it's so affordable. It was just like my cheapest Evo 10 in the country. I bought that car for, I think, 8,000 bucks. So for another 1,900, I got 414 horsepower. We got the quad exhaust on it. It is, oh my gosh, if I get this wrong, I'm gonna be in trouble. I think it's called Alpine White. I think that's what the BMW's called it. I'll show you guys the V8. Okay, so we're gonna pop this hood, little latch down there. Again, this is a 2011, so I think they made it from 2008 to 13, the E90 series. I have the V8. My wife will zoom in on there and look at that V8 right there, right in the middle.
Ooh, I found it.
She found, I could see her looking around. Bad things on it, I mean, it's just a huge laundry list of bad things on it, but we'll get it up and running. Main reason I bought this actually is just for my wife so that she could drive it around Florida. It is so dirty, I'm just gonna clean it up and make it look shiny and nice. Let's go ahead and put the roof down, but you can see the V8. We're gonna put the roof down. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is all black leather, OEM, pretty cool. Most of these I saw were in some weird wood color, or like, I love this interior. It's all black right here. You guys can see this. It's like special for me. I would totally have bought this one. Let's start the car. It's a bazillion degrees today. It's 100 and something. And then we're gonna put the top down. It needs a lot of little things. All the lights are on, which is the best part about it. So what we're gonna do right now is put this top down. If I can just hold this button, and there we go. Is it working?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
It eats itself.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck halfway. That'd be hilarious. We'd have the coolest spoiler in town. Okay, as you guys can see, the top is down. I love it. I love it. Ella's gonna go in the back of the car. You guys are gonna hear some V8 revs. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready?
Okay. How's that? Woo! Pretty good, huh?
Pretty good. Pretty nice.
Okay.
He's gonna do some donuts for us. Or just get out of the sand.
But I'm not going. So we're gonna drive back to the Florida house with the roof down. We're gonna make sure I got my sunglasses so I can see. And we'll meet you right back at the house. Pretty cool car, pretty good deal. $9,999, cheapest M3. Comment down below, is this the cheapest M3 that runs clean title, 127,000 miles, 2011 V8? E93, pretty cool. Okay, Mitch, where's the JDM? Mitch, where's the Lotuses? Mitch, where's the Evos? Come on, you know, it's MR2. I gotta do a little M stuff. I've had BMWs in the past. We made it home, by the way. Look at this, we made it home. I'm gonna show, this is for my wife. So my wife Ella is in the background. We're gonna go over, she's gonna go over things she likes, and then I'm gonna point out all the things that I have to fix on this car, and then we'll do a whole nother video. It's like what's completely wrong with this car. But I'm so glad that we made it home. Amazing, so happy. Okay, what do you like about the car?
Well, it fits right in with the background. I mean, it looks like it belongs to this house. Another thing is that it is definitely giving that Legally Blonde, zippy around town with your two friends in the front and your small dog in the back, which is exactly what we have. Huge back seat for him. I don't know anything about the interior yet, but I hear there's some like go-go buttons. Is there heat seaters?
Yeah, but you don't need that in Florida.
Heat seaters. Seat heaters,
Heated
but you don't
seats.
even need them here.
Yeah, you don't need it in Florida.
I don't know anything about the trunk.
There's no trunk space when you'll see here. There's that's your entire part of your car. So you got that little area down there, which we definitely need to clean out. He was hauling stuff around in U-Haul.
I mean, I could see running to go get Starbucks really
Perfect.
easy.
That's exactly what I got it for.
Loading the trunk with groceries and the top is up, or getting my tan on, going to tennis with the tennis rackets in the back. It just has the look. It's got that bougie trophy wife look that he is
on a budget.
Balling on a budget though. Just wait till Mitch gets his hands on things. You guys have already seen all of his builds. They're ridiculous. He always makes things incredible. So I'm not even worried about different things that I won't point out that he will.
Okay, lots of things wrong with the car, but it's an amazing pickup. I'm really happy. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Someone should have commented that you should not come down to Florida in the months of June, July, August. So it's too hot and humid. I need to go back to Washington State. It's too hot. I'm going back. I'm gonna go back to Washington. But during like September to March is pretty good down here. The winter in Florida is awesome. I can see why people do it. Again, here is the car. So it's a 2011 BMW M3. This is the cheapest. Comment down below if someone got one for cheaper, where you found it. I followed up with this guy, he posted it, and I bought it within like 24 hours of it being live on Facebook Marketplaces where I found it. He wanted $14,000 for it originally, then went down to $13,500. I told him I wanted it for $9,000. He said no, and we landed on $9,999, which I think is reasonable. Again, clean title. No accidents on the Carfax at all, which is crazy. The bumper's broken, it needs replaced. No accidents. The headlights need replaced. The tires need redone. New carbon fiber mirrors, new carbon fiber fender trim, new steering wheel. We're gonna do a cool race steering wheel. The transmission shifts, everything shifts and drives super fine. It just shifts jerkily, so I wanna see if I can change the clutch or transmission fluid on it. The wheels need to be redone, make them perfect. Probably gonna get an exhaust. And then these new taillights are faded, needs new badges. We're gonna do the black and white badges. The whole car will be black and white. That'll be the theme. I do want a black and white carbon fiber steering wheel, so we'll do that. Love the interior. Love, love, love that interior. That is so hard to find. Do you guys hate the DCT? Probably. That's okay. I've enjoyed it. Manuals are definitely more engaging for sure, but so far you saw who it's for. She didn't want to drive a manual all the time. She's already driven an FRS for manual. She'll enjoy the automatic more. That being said, I hope you guys like and subscribe. We'll probably have between 20 to 50 YouTube videos on this, so if you like BMW M3, make sure you like and subscribe. This will be out forever, so you guys can see all the content and all the how-tos. I'll do a lot of how-to fixes and a lot of things. We'll drive it fast and do a bunch of cool things. Exhaust intake, all that garbage. Like, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.